Hello and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do OY says oi. OY says oi. Oi, toy. Oi, toy. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up. Put your toys away. All your toys away because it's all scattered all over the floor. Joy, joy. Joy, joy. I've got joy down in my heart, deep down in my heart. God put it there and nothing can destroy. I've got joy down in my heart, deep down in my heart. Enjoy. Enjoy your day. Have a good day. Employ. We're going to employ people. We're going to ask them to work for us. Employ. Coy. She's a coy girl. She's always like this. She's shy. Coy is another word for shy. Troy. Helen of Troy. Helen is a lady and she comes from a place called Troy. Annoy. Please don't annoy me. Please don't trouble me. Boyish. When a man grows up and he looks like a boy, you say, he's got boyish looks. Joyful. Very joyful and very happy. Enjoying. I'm enjoying the picnic. I'm enjoying the party. I'm enjoying the ceremony. I'm enjoying the festivities. Ploy. A ploy is a trick. They're using a ploy, they're using a trick to make you do something. Don't fall for the ploy. Envoy. An envoy is a person. They send him from one country to another country and then he talks on behalf of his own country. Loyal. A loyal dog. A loyal dog will never leave you. If somebody comes to attack you, he will even come in the way of the person who is trying to kill you and he will get hurt. He will take the stab wound for you. I love dogs. They're the most loyal creatures in this world. Overjoyed. Magic-y O. Overjoyed. ED makes three sounds. Sometimes it says d, sometimes it says d, sometimes it says id. Here it says d. Id, d. Overjoyed. Very happy. Oh my God, we won it. We won this big competition. So we're so overjoyed. We're so happy. Roy. Roy is a boy's name. Hi, Roy. How are you? Royal. The royal family. The king, the queen, the prince, the princess, the duchess, the earl. Royal. Destroy. They're going to destroy everything. Who's going to destroy everything? Humans. Who's a human? We are humans. We destroy the whole world. We go to the sea, we catch all the fish. We go to the forest, we burn them. We cut down all the trees. Are we good for the earth? No, we better start changing our lifestyle. Enjoyed. ED makes the d sound again. We enjoyed it. We had a wonderful time. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us to your beautiful, lovely party. Koipu. A koipu is an animal, okay? And he says, ribbit, ribbit. No, he doesn't say ribbit, ribbit. That's a rabbit. He nibbles with his sharp teeth. Like that. Boycott. We're going to boycott it. We're not going to attend it. Okay, we're going to boycott the festivities. So we're going to boycott going and working. Boycott means you're going to protest and not attend it. Disloyal. Disloyal person or a disloyal, if you do something that is disloyal, you're not being very good. That means you're betraying trust. You're not being loyal to your friend. Your friend tells you a secret and then you go and tell everybody. So it's very bad to be disloyal. Or you're not loyal to one person or committed to one person. You keep jumping from one person to another person. One friend, another friend, another friend. So it's not a good thing to do. Decoy. Decoy is a trick. Okay, so you use a fake on a not real creature like a bird, and then the fake or the not real bird will come and say, and then the real birds will come to say, oh, who is that? And then you catch the real birds. So it's a decoy. It's a trick. Okay. Now let's read from the beginning to the end. Are you ready? Toy, toy. Joy, joy. Enjoy, enjoy. Employ, employ. Coy, coy. Troy, troy. Annoy, annoy. Boyish, boyish. Joyful, joyful. Enjoying, enjoying. Ploy, ploy. Envoy, envoy. Loyal, loyal. Overjoyed, overjoyed. Roy, roy. Royal, royal. Destroy, destroy. Enjoyed, enjoyed. Koipu, koipu. Boycott, boycott. Disloyal, disloyal. Decoy, decoy. Thank you for watching. That was quite hard, but I'm sure you're going to be good and learn it all. So see you next time. Bye.